Welcome, students, to part 3 of Societal Impacts. Here we will learn about free and open source software, license, and copyrights. Let us start. Free and open source software. We must be very clear about two terms which are very often misunderstood or misinterpreted. Let us understand these terms. Free software. Free software are freely available with code to use, freely accessible to change, that means modifiable, improve or copy. These softwares can be redistributed. If copies we can make the copy where that means we can redistribute them these softwares. Open source software, these softwares are not necessarily free, but source code is freely available. Source code is available, that means we can edit the source code, so it is these softwares are modifiable. These softwares can be redistributed. Open source software, these are not necessarily be free, but source code is freely available. These softwares are freely available with everything. Free softwares are available with everything, so that they are modifiable. They can create, the user can create the copy, redistribute. Everything can be done by the user. The proprietary software is just opposite the open source software. These softwares are under the copyright. These limits are their limits are imposed by the developer, publisher or vendor. It is property of the owner. Source code is not free with us. To use these software, proprietary software, by paying some amount to use such software, the user of software has to accept agreement before the software can be installed or used. Now we will learn about the licensing and the copyright. There is little difference between them. Licensing is an agreement, while copyright denotes the ownership. Licensing is an agreement, while copyright denotes ownership of intellectual property. Licensing is a permission given to use the product or someone's creation by copyright holder. There are different type of licenses granted in writing, implies by law, supported by contractual consideration, or exclusive or non-exclusive or sole. There are different kind of licenses available. Copyright. Copyright is a Copyright means ownership. Gives the owner the exclusive right to use the work. When a person creates an original work fixed in a tangible medium, he or she automatically owns copyright to the work. Many types of works are eligible for copyright protection. For example, audiovisual work, TV shows, movies, online videos, sound recording, music compositions, written works such as lectures, articles, books, and musical composition, visual works such as painting, poster, advertisement, video games, computer software, dramatic works such as plays and musicals. These all are the copyrighted work. Advantage of using licensed of software. There are different advantages of using licensed software. You will receive technical help with genuine software. User support is also available for those softwares. Licensed softwares are provided with user supports. Documentation is also available with the software. We can access updates, upgrades, security patches. We can get security patches of the software time to time to improve the quality and experiences of the software. Software piracy is a negative impact. So licensed software keep it safe from unwanted piracy, illegal use of software. We avoid unnecessary IT and cyber security risk to our computers and network and theft of confidential business information. There are different advantages of uh, licensed software we have seen here. Open source licenses make it easy to others to contribute to a project without having to seek special permission. Source code available means source code is available. A source code is available, that means we can modify it, so everybody can contribute to these projects. It also projects us as the original creator, making sure we at least get some credit for our contribution. It also helps to prevent others for claiming our works as their own. There are different licenses. GPL, General Public License, general, as these all licenses are open source licenses, that means they can be copied, they can be distributed and modifiable softwares. So all features will remain same as for open source software. This means the copy, we can copy the software, distribute the software, modify the software. One more thing is GNU's General Public License. The full form of GNU is GNU's, not Unix. GNU General Public License is free. Copyleft licenses used primarily for software. We will see what is copyleft. There are two terms, copyleft and copyright. Copyright and copyleft we will discuss later on. The GNU's GPL allows user to change, share all the versions of the program. GPL is provided through the Free Software Foundation. GPL is provided through the Free Software Foundation. FSF. Sometimes the question come to expand the abbreviation. FSF, Free Software Foundation, a non-profit corporation that works to provide free software for the GNU's project. Creative Commons licenses. Creative Commons licenses allow redistribution and reuse of licensed work on the condition that the creator is appropriately credited. Creative Commons license, that means these are related to the work created by someone who is the owner of that information. He allow or redistribute, reuse. He allow redistribute and reuse of those software with Creative Commons licenses. But the creator will always be credited all the time. These licenses help the creator to give permission for others to use the work in advance under the certain conditions. The great thing is that all CC licenses, in short, Creative Commons licenses, CC licenses allow works to be used for educational purposes. Normally, these CC licenses are given works for educational purposes, where teachers give some work to students and students share, student do and modify the work and resubmit to the teachers. This kind of work, CC licenses are normally used with normally used for educational purposes. Every CC license allows us to copy the work, distribute the work, display or perform work, and communicate the work. Here we will see the different CC licenses. Attribution: a single man is standing in the circle. It means the software may be copied, distribute, display, and perform the work and make derivative work and remixes based on it only if they give the author or licensor the credit. We must give the credit to the author or creator. Share alike. This is the symbol of share alike. Licenses may distribute derivative work only under the license identical, not more restrictive, not more restrictive to the license that governs the original work. Without share alike, derivative works might be sub-licensed with compatible but more restrictive license clause. Next one is non-commercial. These kind of symbols are attached with those CC licenses which are which can be used for non-commercial works only. Commercial, we cannot use those softwares or the data for commercial purposes. No derivative work. Licensee may copy, distribute, display, and perform only verbatim copies of the work, not derivative works and remix based on it. Right? Apache license are also there. Apache is a Apache Software Foundation. Apache Software Foundation create the license for the work for the things created by them. Apache licenses is a free and open source software. Free and open source software FOSS. Sometimes you will see free libre open source software FLOSS. Licensing agreement. This is the licensing agreement from the Apache Software Foundation ASF. Thank you so much. This is all about free and open source software, proprietary software, and the different kind of licenses we have seen over here. We will soon meet again with part 4 of societal impacts. Till then, thank you. Thank you so much.